A faulty water pump can lead to serious engine damage. The most common symptom is engine overheating, where the temperature gauge rises rapidly. Another clear sign is coolant leaks, appearing as puddles of reddish-brown liquid under the vehicle. Listen for unusual noises like whining, grinding, or squealing, often coming from the water pump bearings. Steam or bubbles from the radiator cap indicate air in the cooling system due to a leaking water pump. The temperature gauge may fluctuate erratically, especially during idling or acceleration. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial to prevent further damage. In modern cars since 2024, dashboard warnings or apps may alert you to pump performance issues. Start diagnosing water pump issues with a visual inspection. Check for coolant leaks under the vehicle and inspect belt tension and condition. Next, use a radiator pressure tester to simulate system pressure and detect any leaks in the cooling system. Wiggle the pump to check for bearing looseness. If there's play in the shaft, the bearings may be worn. Monitor engine temperatures using an OBD2 scanner to log data during a test drive. Perform a dye test by draining and refilling with dyed coolant. Then use UV light to trace flow patterns and spot leaks. In 2025 smart vehicles, onboard systems log pump RPM and efficiency. For electric vehicles, check for firmware glitches. Flush coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to prevent failures.